Welcome back. Sorry about that, first grade. This is first grade math lesson 4.2 for Tuesday, December 1st, 2020. Let's start today, friends, with our hundreds chart. If you're not sure where that hundreds chart is, it most likely is in your box. If it is not in your box, friends, you can always watch me on the screen and we can count together using my hundreds chart. Okay. I also sent home a tiny little sticker hundreds chart with you in your learning packet this week. So if mom and dad picked up a manila folder with your lesson plans and materials, if you look in there carefully, there was a tiny sticker chart, a hundreds chart in there, and you may use that as well. We're going to just do a little review as we begin this morning. Let's start by counting to 30 by ones. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Good job. Now let's count to 30 by twos. By twos. Here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Excellent. Now we're going to count backwards from 30. When we subtract, like we are going to be subtracting today in our lesson, we're counting backwards. So let's get our brains warmed up. Here we go. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent. Let's practice counting by fives now. By fives all the way to 100. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Count by fives. Excellent. Now let's take a look at some numbers here. Today is the 54th day of school. Say it with me, please. The 54th day. What will tomorrow be? Good. If you said the 55th, you'd be correct. Today is the 54th day of school. What was yesterday? If you said the 53rd day, you'd be correct. Good job, friends. If today is the 54th day of school, what will it be in 10 days? Good. You should have hopped one square down. We know when we move down a column, we're adding or subtracting by 10. So if it's the 54th day today, in 10 days it will be the 64th day. Good. Today is the 54th day of school. What day of school was it 10 days ago? If you said the 44th, you're right. If I said what was it 10 days ago, I'm asking you to subtract by 10. So we would go back up that column to subtract 10. So we went from 54 to 44. Good job, friends. Happy 54th day of school. Let's move on to our lesson. Now that you're warmed up, you should have your paper ready to go. Let's put our name at the top. Name on your paper, first thing. And the date, 1. Eek. Mrs. Tran is getting her dates bad. -20. It's December 1, isn't it? December 1, December 1. Please read it with me, friends. Think addition to subtract. Essential question. How can you use an addition fact to find the answer to a subtraction fact? We know that, don't we, already? Thank goodness we know the answer to this essential question. Because you guys have been practicing your fact families and your related facts for quite a while now, today should come a little bit easier, I hope. Listen and draw. Use cubes to model the problem. Draw cubes to show your work. Now it has green and orange, and so I'm going to get out a green and orange marker. Teacher should have crayons here, but I don't. So I'm just going to have to be, let me see, I'm going to grab, friends. Let me put my phone down a moment. Thank you for being so patient with me. I'm going to see if I can find a green and orange. Oh, I do have it. Thank you, Stella. I'm using her box today. Why don't you grab some colored pencils or some crayons to do your math with me today. It's asking us to use cubes to model the problem 5 plus blank equals 12. Let's start with green today and write 5 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've drawn my 5 green. Now I'm going to count the rest up to 12. So I'll say 5 and count on and stop at 12. Okay, here we go. Say 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's my number. So how many orange did I end up with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So my answer that's missing will be 7. Now that I know what that missing number is, 5 green plus 7 orange equals 12, now I can easily figure out the sum down below. I shouldn't have to do any computing, adding or subtracting, because I've already done the work up here. Because I've done the work in my addition up here, I now don't have to do the work down here in my subtraction. I have the digits 5, 7, and 12. What digit is missing down here? Ah, the 7. 12 minus 5 equals 7. Let's draw that and see what it looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I could take 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and cross them out, which would give me the 7. If I wanted to draw a colored model, my colored model would look just the same. I would start with 5 green. Then I would add my 7 orange. But this time I'd have to subtract 5. I'd take away this 5 and be left with my 7. Either one would be appropriate and match my sentence. Go ahead and make sure you have your number sentences all drawn up, and then we will move on. Pause your video if you need to finish. If you're done, let's go. Model and draw. What is 9 minus 4? Think. 4 plus what equals 9? Think 4 plus 5 equals 9. So 9 minus 4 equals 5. They're related, aren't they? I love this math. Let's move on. Use cubes to add and to subtract. What is 8 minus 6? Well, I need to think, what is 6 plus what equals 8? 6, 7, 8, okay, 2. So 8 minus 6 equals 2. Notice the writing I did was adding in that same missing digit. Here I had to find an addend, and here I had to use it as the sum. Let's move on. 8 minus 4 equals. Think 4 plus blank equals 8. Oh, that looks like a doubles addition. 4 plus 4. So 8 minus 4 equals 4. What is 10 minus 4? Well, think. 4 plus what equals 10? Did you notice that? 4 plus 6? So 10 minus 4 equals 6. Number 4. What is 12 minus 6? Oh, let's think. 6 plus what equals 12? Another doubles. 6 plus 6 equals 12. So 12 minus 6 equals 6. Good job. I knew you guys were going to be good at this today. On your own. Use cubes to add and to subtract. Number 5, 8 minus 3 equals what? Well, let's think. 3 plus what equals 8? Ah, 5, good. So 8 minus 3 equals 5. Good job, friends. Number 6, 9 minus 5 equals, let's think. 5 plus what equals 9? Did you say 4? You're right. So 9 minus 5 equals, you got it, 4. 12 minus 7. Think. 7 plus what equals 12? Let's start with 7 and see how far we get. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. My answer is 5. So 12 minus 7 equals 5. Good job, friends. Let's look at this hot problem. Solve. Number 8. We can do it together. Carol can use an addition sentence to write a subtraction sentence. Write a subtraction sentence she can solve using 6 plus 8 equals 14. Okay, remember, when writing subtraction, what digit has to come first? Yes, that big number. Number 14 comes first. Minus, get that minus sign in there. Now you choose. What number should we put next? Okay, let's use the 6. 14 minus 6 equals, what do we have left? 8. Good. Number 9, write an addition sentence Carol can use to help her solve 13 minus 9. Well, let's use addition to help us with this subtraction. Let's see how we can get from 9 to 13. Say 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 4. It equals 4. So let's write the addition sentence that goes with it. 9 plus 4 equals 13. Good. All right, let's go to the back, friends. Let's do some problem solving together. I love to do these stories with you. Write a number sentence to solve. There are 14 cats. 7 are black. The rest are yellow. How many cats are there? Let's start out by circling our important numbers. 14's important. 7 is important. 14 minus 7 equals what? Let's think, what addition fact can help me solve? This looks like a doubles addition. I know 7 plus 7 equals 14. So 14 minus 7 equals 7. So how many were yellow when it said the rest? 7 were yellow. I'm so glad that we know our doubles addition. Number 11. I had some pencils. I gave 4 pencils away. Okay. Now I have 2 pencils. How many pencils did I start with? So let's circle the important numbers, 4 and 2, and let's go in order of our story. I had some pencils. Do I know what the number sum is? Nope, so I'm going to leave this blank. Then it says I gave 4 away, so minus 4. Now I have 2 pencils, so equals 2. Blank minus 4 equals 2. Now let's use addition to help us solve for subtraction. What is 4 plus 2? Did you say 6? You're right. So now I know that missing digit. I started with 6 pencils. Good job. Let's do this hot problem together. Sarah has 8 fewer flowers than Anne. Anne has 16 flowers. How many flowers does Sarah have? Okay, let's circle our important numbers, 8 and 16. Here we go. Biggest number, 16 minus 8 equals, does it look like a doubles addition? 8 plus what equals 16? Ooh, that does look like a doubles. Now I know my 3 digits. 8, 8, and 16. So 16 minus 8 equals 8. Oh, I love this stuff. Good job, friends. Test prep. Which addition sentence helps you solve 10 minus 7? Well, I need to find an addition sentence that has a 10 and a 7. 10 and 7? Nope. 10 and a 7? Nope. 10, ooh, I see a 10 and a 7. That could be it, but let's keep going just to make sure. 10 and a 7. Oh, I have a 10, but no 7. Now I know this is the addition sentence. 7 plus 3 equals 10, so 10 minus 7 equals 3. Good job, friends. We will see you tomorrow. Thank you for doing this lesson with me. Do not forget to get your practice book out and do lesson 4.2 today. Good luck. I have faith in you, and we'll see you on Wednesday. Bye-bye.